Hello, 6th graders. It's Mrs. Toivola with your video for the October 27th homework, multiplying on a number line. Looking first at the instructions, because that's what we should always do first. It says, complete the number line to model your thinking. It does say for this one problem. Haha, there are actually two. I thought I fixed that. If you are stuck, watch the video in the Thursday, October 27th folder for help. All right, now we're going to jump into the problem down below. Tiana earns $20 an hour growing flowers. How much money does she earn if she works 3/5 of an hour? How much money does she earn if she works 3/5 of an hour? So what this says to me when I read this is that she hasn't worked a whole hour, because this fraction is a proper fraction. The top number 3 is smaller than the bottom number 5. I know that she has not yet worked an entire hour. So I am going to add on my number line down here a 0 for $0. And I also notice on the bottom of my number line, it says the amount of money that's been earned in dollars. If Tiana worked for an entire hour, they would earn $20 an hour. I'm going to put $20 here at the end of my number line. I know that I can end with 20 because she's worked less than this amount. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my fraction and I'm going to look at the denominator. The denominator was 5. That means I need to take this big long line here and split it into 5 parts. In class, we talked about kind of making a rectangle down here, so we're looking at the right thing. We're looking at the across horizontal line that needs to get split into 5. So here we go. I'm going to put in a bunch of lines. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I put in 5 lines, I'm going to number them now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, which means you're not putting in 5 lines. If you put in 5 lines, you'll get 6 parts. So this time I'm going to put in 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one looks pretty good to me. I'm going to quickly number my parts so I can just be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I've got 5 blue parts. Okay, this is a spot where people are getting stuck. They're not quite sure how to fill in the numbers that go down below my blue parts. I could just guess 5, 10, 15, 20, but now you can see that 20 repeats. So that doesn't work. And I could try to count by 2s, or I could say the whole line was 20. And the line got split into or divided into 5 equal parts. That's 20 divided by 5. And when I put that into my calculator, I see that the answer is 4. And that answer of 4 goes down there below the first line. And that tells me what to count by. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. And if I add 4 more, I get to 20. Okay, I'm almost done. Now I just need to put Tiana on this. All right, $20 an hour growing flowers. Sounds like a pretty great job to me. All right, probably happy with that job. All right, there's Tiana. So I need her to work for 3/5 of an hour. So now I'm looking at the numerator of my fraction, 3/5. That means she needs to jump 3 times. That's 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So how much money does she earn? She earns $12. Okay, so this is the first problem. You need to do the problem about Mr. Busco, which is true. When Mr. Busco does handiwork, he charges $75 an hour. Someday I'd like to be able to charge $75 an hour as well. So you do your best work and finish this bottom problem about Mr. Busco. Good luck. We'll see you in class tomorrow.